What's up guys, today we're gonna finishing up the trailer I just got a few weeks ago, and we are doing the final touches. So let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what I'm going with. Buy at Home Depot. Chose this color, started painting it. Let's see how long this will last. I finally put the ripped piece in the middle center, so it's done. Taped it, that way I won't get it on the black, hopefully not. I'm gonna give it about 3 coats. It's my first one so far, and I just did a little piece and I liked it. I wish I would have gone a little darker, but hey, I can always go back a little bit darker for extra protection. But I'm debating if I should do this on my other trailer as well. I like it, but I might have to go darker for the other one since there's obviously gonna be tire marks on it. And I don't know. I think I'd like a little bit darker of a gray. But yep, this is it so far. Finally finished up, turbines. Finally finished up the wheels. Got them on that side. Finally greased up the jack. Works phenomenally. This side's good as well. Still haven't driven it yet. Oh, actually I need to sand this part right here and paint it. This is whenever I had to blow out. I'm guessing I probably didn't prep it right. Y'all gonna tell me I need to prime it, but it's just a utility trailer. I'm not gonna be showing it off or anything, and it was a rare occasion what happened, so let's hope it doesn't happen again. So let me go ahead and finish up painting this, and then I'll get back with y'all. Oops. I do quite a bit of painting, so I already have most of this material. But yep, trolling along good, and if I have enough, where once you have like the roller a little bit wet, so let me get it in there, and the screw holes, that way they can be protected. So did the first line already. Time to finish off the rest. Alright guys, so this is the final product. It is finished. All I have to do left is maybe add some little lights right here or some stickers. But other than that, the trailer is done. Now it's time to load it up with the mower and start cutting yards. Man, I like the turnout. Again, I just wish I went a little bit darker, which I probably will eventually. But yep, this is it. Comment down below what I should do to this trailer to make it more cool, I guess. I'll probably switch this to the 6-pin, and I'll check the wiring's good. I know that for a fact, but I'll probably change it just to go to the 6-pin, since all my vehicles have the 6-pin, but my yellow truck actually does not have the 4-pin. So yep, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.